This meditation is also a cleansing exercise for our body. We will take energy from the Mother Earth and universe. जब हम मदर अर्थ से एनर्जी लेंगे तो सांस लेते हुए व्हाइटिश ग्रीन लाइट को फील करेंगे. Then from our feet we will bring it to our heart and stop. And after the 3 counts we will release it in the form of black smoke from our crown area. Then we will take the energy from universe. We will take in white light from our crown, stop for 3 counts at the heart and release the black smoke from our feet. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Follow the sound of my voice. Be comfortable. Breathe in and breathe out calmly. Another breath in and out calmly. Now focus on your feet. पूरा ध्यान अपने पैरों पर लाएं. मदर अर्थ से रिक्वेस्ट करें, मदर अर्थ, प्लीज अलाउ मी टू कनेक्ट माई सेल्फ टू यू. अपने पैरों से जड़ें निकलते हुए धरती से कनेक्ट होते हुए देखें. मदर अर्थ, अलाउ मी टू क्लीन माई बॉडी with your vibrations. Feel the whitish green light in your feet. Breathe in. Bring the whitish green light to your heart. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. Release the black smoke from your crown area. Breathe in again. Bring the whitish green light to your heart. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. Release the black smoke from your crown area. Now focus on your top of your head. Pray to God that allow me to clean my body through your divine light. Breathe in white light. Hold to your heart and release from your feet. Again breathe in white light. Hold to your heart. 1, 2, 3. Release the black smoke from your feet. Now our channels from top and bottom are open. We are clean. Stay with it. Again request Mother Earth, please let me charge my body with your energy. Let this energy give me stability, love, health, and peace. Again feel the whitish green light in your feet. On the count of 3, let this whitish green light enter your body. 1, 2, and 3. The light has entered your feet. It's going up to your ankles, your calf area. Your bones are getting strong. It has come to your knees, thighs, hips, genitals, stomach, lungs, full back, neck, arms, shoulders, fingers, front face, back head. Feel strong and stable like a tree. Now we will take love energy from universe. Focus on your head. On the count of 3, let this white light enter your body. 1, 2, 3. The light has entered your head, forehead. Feel it on your front face, back head, neck, shoulders, arms, fingers, chest. Feel that all are filled with love energy. जहाँ जहाँ पे ये वाइट लाइट जा रही है, वहाँ के सेल्स को खिलता हुआ, मुस्कुराता हुआ देखिए. Your heart, stomach, back, hips, genitals, thighs, knees, legs, feet सब वाइट लाइट से भरे हुए हैं. Your whole body is relaxed and contented. Feel the love in and around you. Your emotional balance is normal. Now, raise your hands to the chest level like you are blessing someone. Visualize the person you want to bless in front of you. Tell your unconscious mind, let the excessive love and energy generated in my body be released in the form of blessings to this person. अपने हाथों से वाइट लाइट निकलते देखें और उस इंसान को ब्लेस करें जिसको आप विजुअलाइज कर रहे हैं. Now give this picture to the universe and say, as I wish, so be it. When you feel complete, thank God, universe, earth, and gradually and evenly come back to your senses. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Open your eyes and smile.